to the CTFX YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ikram, founder and full-time Forex trader for nearly 6 years now, and I've been showing traders from all over a simplified method of trading daily for profits. My intention for this channel is to provide traders with a realistic perspective on anything Forex trading related, and I'll also do some chart analysis here and there. So I hope you find some great value in what I share in these videos, and feel free to like, comment, or suggest any Forex related topic, and I'll share my views in a future video if it's relevant. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my content, and also keep you in the loop of what's happening in the CTFX Forex trading world. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you inside.